Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS so you know we're tracking settings live. Once done, switch to airplane mode and disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to cut live location pings. Next, back up any essential data and sign out of major accounts, Google, Apple ID, social apps, because deleting or resetting without signing out can leave linked tracking. Make sure you have credentials if you'll re-enable anything later. This avoids losing access after you remove tracking controls. Now you dive into settings. Go to Location or Privacy and turn off System Location Services to stop OS-level tracking, then immediately review each app's permissions and deny location where not needed. If an app looks suspicious or you don't recognize it, uninstall or force stop it and remove its background activity permission. After that, open account security on Google or Apple and revoke device and app access so tokens are invalidated. This prevents remote reactivation of tracking after you finish. Finish by deciding if a factory reset is needed. If you suspect compromise, reset and restore only from clean backups, because restoring an infected backup can reintroduce tracking. Once reset, change all account passwords and enable two-factor authentication to block unauthorized relinking. Finally, test by signing in on a single trusted device and checking location logs. If tracking persists, use a fresh device to verify. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking still shows, revoke app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.